I recently got this barely used 2018 Honda Civic LX. It's really nice, and one of the first things I wanted to do is get my Android phone connected wirelessly to make calls and play music through the radio. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it. The first thing I need to do is turn on Bluetooth on my phone. Now on the radio, press the menu button. Here, scroll down and select Settings. Then select Bluetooth. Here, I'll choose Add New Device. The radio in my Civic LX now wants to confirm that Bluetooth is activated on my phone. I know Bluetooth is on, so I'll select OK. The radio will now search for nearby devices. I'm actually surprised it's picking up the Chromecast in my house. But when it's done searching, I'll scroll to the name of my phone and select it.
Compare the numbers displayed on your device and follow the instructions on your device.
Last thing to do is check the pop-up menu on my phone and then tap the pair button.
Connection setup is complete. The device has been added.
I'll know that the phone was successfully paired when I see the Bluetooth symbol and the phone's battery display at the top left corner of the screen. And on the topic of Bluetooth, I'll show you how to disconnect the phone in case you get a new phone or end up selling your car. To disconnect an Android phone from a 2018 Honda Civic LX, press the phone button on the top right of the radio, then scroll to Phone Setup. Then select Bluetooth. On the next screen, choose Delete Device. Here, I'll find my phone and press the Select button. The last thing it'll ask is to confirm that I want to delete the phone from the radio. I definitely do, so I'll choose Yes. And now my Android phone has been deleted from my Civic LX radio. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.